loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually a requested video by one of you guys. I actually really like doing these. Like, I like when you guys tell me exactly what you want to see and I can do it for you. So a while ago I got a request to do a Yaki unit, no baby hair, and without like super straightening the unit. So you guys know when I usually get a Yaki unit, I get it pretty straight. Something's like floated in my face. I get it pretty straight, but I leave a little bit of texture for it. But a lot of you guys do not straighten it. You guys only like straighten the roots and you leave it in like the blowout style. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. You guys know, if you've been following me for a while, big hair terrifies me because, as you can see, my natural hair is really thin. But we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. So the unit that I have today is an HD lace unit from WowAfrican. And this is what this baby looks like. She is gorgeous, you guys, and she is so thick and full. And then of course she came pre-plucked and she came pre-bleached. WowAfrican is actually one of my favorite companies when it comes to bleaching. Like, they do not over bleach and it makes me so happy. But yeah, so this is the unit. I did pluck it a little bit more. If you guys can tell, the hairline did not come completely like this, but yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. And y'all, this lace looks so freaking good. Okay, like, let me take it off. So look at this. It looks so good, right? Like, that's gonna blend so freaking good. And I might as well show you guys the inside of the unit while I am here. So yeah, I've already plucked it and it already came bleached. But I am gonna go ahead and add my perfect line in the shade MICH. You guys know, if you've been following me for like a month or two now, I've been swearing by this stuff to get my parts to look real. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this off camera. If you guys want a video of how I apply this, then I will leave it down below and it should pop up at the top somewhere. But I think I'm gonna go with a middle part today. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my part with you guys watching, and then to speed up the video, I'll just do this off camera.
Hey, you, I saw you from the distance. Hey, you, can we talk?
This is just a wax stick.
Hey, you.
And I am going to straighten the roots just a little bit. Like, I'm not going to like go all the way down, just up in here.
Or am I wrong?
Okay, so I have the fake scalp in, if you guys can see. Looks so good, right? And now I'm just gonna go ahead and slick everything back and cut the lace. So I like to do this before I apply my wig, just because it helps get like all the little flyaways out the way. And it basically just makes the wig like just go on perfectly. So yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit of mousse, which is the olive oil one. And then I'm gonna go on top of that with this wax stick, which you can also find on WowAfrican. I'm going to take a little bit of this Insta Hold spray. Okay, now we have it, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. Y'all, look at this. Crazy, right? This is just water. Insane, right? Ooh, push my baby hairs back. Another reason why I love that perfect line stuff is because One, you either don't need a wig cap at all. I'm gonna put one on just to hold like my hair down because I took my ponytail out, or you could put like any wig cap under and you can't see it. So like, I don't have to hunt for like my favorite color wig caps anymore. Like this is too light. This would definitely show through for me. Okay, now I can go in with these wrap strips. You guys always ask me about these. I got these from Sally's, but they have them on Amazon too. I'll leave a link for you guys down below. Looking good. Oh, I guess I could cut these. Okay, so I changed my earrings out because you could not see those little ones that I had in. Now I'm going to straighten it. I am going to go in with this jojoba oil and then this CONAIR INFINITIPRO blow dryer. So I love this little thing. It's so freaking convenient. So I'm just going to take a little bit in my hand. Don't want it too greasy, so I'm like just lightly touching it. Okay, love, so this is it. For some reason my brain is going cut layers, but I'm not going to cut any layers. This looks like it's my hair. This looks like I just got a fresh super straight blowout, or like I used the doing my hand, the Rev Air. I love that thing. Gets my hair so freaking straight. I feel like if my hair was longer, maybe not this thick, but it would be really cute. I actually really like this a lot, you guys. Like, I thought I would be scared. For some reason I picture it just being like out here, and it's not. It is actually really flat. It just has nice texture and nice volume to it, like so fluffy and soft, and it still has all the movement, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go outside so we can see what this lace situation is looking like in natural light. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any other requests that you guys want to see, go ahead and leave them down below for me so I can make sure to do a video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.
I've been running circles in my head, hiding things left.
Okay guys, so outside, definitely giving scalp coming out of my scalp. It looks so good. Let's get rid of the glare. Looks so good. So let's go in the shadow. This is what we're looking like. I got a little bit of residue. I think that's the holding spray, but look at the texture, y'all.